When I was reading reviews, I was a little bit scared to get the Phomemo because it said after a while it stopped working. So let's make a big old Gilmore Girls quote and just make sure that doesn't happen. So I like to start off every single time with a space. I did change out the pink tape. So here's something that this is going to be a really long quote. So when I get something new like this, I just want to give it a quick test. Oh man. I hope I got this right. So the one thing that I didn't get was once Luke Danes is in your life, he's in your life, which is, I think, one of the quintessential quotes of Gilmore Girls. So I have noticed that some of the letters are uneven. So here is the space. And you can see how fast I can go now that I've gotten used to the will. And this is the space right here. This is going to be, let's see how I did so far. There we go. So once Luke Danes is in, and then that part will just cut off. I didn't want to go too long in case I had a mistake right in the middle or something. So let's start out again with this space. Is in, so we're at let's see, we need to do Y O U R There's something kind of hypnotic about that. This. I'm seeing how it can handle going faster. Overall, this works better than I thought it would. The reviews were kind of all over the place. The only thing is I'm already having problems with it cutting. So let's see how it does this time. Oh, that time it worked like a pro. So let's see what we've got here. Once Luke Danes is in your life, he is in your life. So yeah, I'm happy. I'll have to cut it apart more to make it part of the page. Here are some more. The tape was pretty easy to change out. I don't want to do it, you know, every single time I print. So that says Lorelai Gilmore, the Gilmore Girls, Rory Gilmore, and Copper Boom. Let's do one more. Let's see if I have enough letters to do. Let's see if you can guess what I'm... This one's going to be much shorter. I'm like a little kid on Christmas. I'm like, time me. See how fast I can make labels. I mean, definitely typing and using an app would be faster, but I really love the embossed feel of this. Dean versus Jess. So, yeah, the Phomemo, I like it. I got it in pink, and it's just, if you want a consistent, like, never jumps around kind of label, I don't think this one is for you. But if you like the character of that, then yeah, I think mine was under 15 bucks, I believe. So I don't know, it might have been closer to 20. We'll see. Thanks for watching.